Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping materials and positioning the machine so it's within easy reach. Make sure power is off, then load a fresh spool of 100% cotton thread through the feeder. This prevents jams. You want thread tension moderate, neither too tight nor loose, because tension controls stitch consistency. Once loaded, secure the bobbin and set stitch length to a low starting point. You'll test on scrap fabric for 5–10 seconds. Use that test to adjust tension and stitch length before proceeding. You now thread through each guide in order, making sure the thread seats in the tension discs. Misrouting causes skipped threads. Once threaded, turn power on and set speed to 40–60% so you can control movement. You should keep the fabric aligned with the feed plate and guide it steadily. Let the machine pull, don't force it. If you need complex patterns, mark fabric first and practice on scraps. After a short run, recheck bobbin tension and make tiny adjustments. This ensures consistent, clean threading. You finish by trimming jump threads and securing ends with a small knot or fabric adhesive so they won't unravel. Once done, switch off power and clean lint from feed dogs and bobbin area, then drop a few recommended oil drops into the machine's points to maintain smooth operation. If you encounter skipped stitches or uneven loops, stop, rethread both top and bobbin, and adjust tension incrementally. Replacing the thread or using a different cotton weight often solves persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.